Want to inspire people but only have your phone? No problem. Today I'll show you how to create powerful motivational videos fast and easy. Take a look at this.
Wealth isn't just about money. It's the freedom to choose, the time to create, the ability to give. True wealth means more than what's in your bank. It's found in the moments you cherish, the opportunities you seize.
With just this one AI tool, you can achieve it. Let me show you. So the niche I'm choosing is wealth, but I need some ideas. So I'm over on ChatGPT. Now I'm going to ask, create me 5 YouTube short titles about wealth. These are the ones that they came up with, which are really clear and good. I'm going to pick 5 habits that will make you wealthy. I'm going to paste that in the prompt down at the bottom, but I'm going to put create me a script about 5 habits that will make you wealthy. 20 seconds. I only want it to be 20 seconds. And I want it to be in a paragraph so it's not like all separated. So this is what I came up with, which is actually really good. Okay, so I'm going to use that, but now I'm going to copy it. And now I need images. So I came on over to Canva. I'm going to put Instagram Reel. And now I need some images. So I'm going to go down to Elements. Make sure that it's a video. So these are the ones that I've already came up with that you've seen in the beginning. These were the videos. I'm going to show you how I get them. So I go up in the search bar and I put in luxury. So these are what comes up, but you want them to be vertical. So up in the corner with the little 3 lines, now you're going to click vertical. And these are what comes up. Go to the videos and these are what you choose from. So I'm going to click this one. And then I'm going to stretch it over the canvas. Make sure that it fits. And now we need about 10 more of these. So make about 9 more. So each mini video is going to be about 1 second. You can add photos too, but I usually use videos, but I will show you how I add photos as well. So once you have 10 little mini videos, and we're going to fix that. It says 15 seconds, but I'm going to show you how to shorten them after we get all our videos. So now you're going to fill up these 10 slots. So it's about wealth. So we're just going to keep putting images about wealth. So money, mansions, cars, stuff like that. So we have to find ones that relate to the little ChatGPT script that it gave us. So mansions. Remember to click up in the side, click vertical, and then go down to videos. Or you can go to photos. I clicked a photo this time because I want to show you that you can do photos as well. Just make sure that it fits the canvas. The second one, let's do another mansion. This one looks good. Okay, so let's click this one. And now we're going to make it fit the canvas. Push it over a bit. And there we go. Now let's add something different. Maybe rich. We can put in rich. And these are what pops up. So it's a woman getting out of the car with her chauffeur. This is good. So you just keep filling up these little mini videos with stuff about luxury, mansions, boats. Here's a yacht. Stuff like that. And maybe let's put some more money. That's good. Okay, how about a millionaire? Here we go. Okay, that one's good. Another yacht, but now the guy is driving from it. And more money for the last one. Okay, so now this is how you make them smaller into 1 second. So you click it. And then at the bottom, it will show you the length of the video. So then you just trim it down to 1.0 seconds. That's it. And then you do it with the rest. As you can see, some of them are a little longer. There's a couple pictures. I will show you how to do that also. But you just click it and then you press the trim and take it down to 1.0. So then you're going to do it to all of them. And you're going to take it down to 1.0. Sometimes you can do 1.1 or 1.2. It's okay to give it a few extra milliseconds. I usually do. Some of mine are like 1.2 or 1.0, 1.1. And then this is the picture. all you do is drag it. You don't need to click it. You just drag it down to 1.0. See? And then the next one, drag it down to 1.0. And that's it. And then you just continue with the videos just to trim them down to 1.0. I feel like I'm saying that a lot. So in this one, here we go. Now that they're all 1.0 or 1.2 or 1.1, now you're going to download the video, because we're not going to edit it here. We're going to edit it over on CapCut. So make sure you download it at full quality, all the pages. There's about 11. Okay, so now you're going to use a canvas of an Instagram story, and you're just going to download a black screen. It doesn't have to move. It can be just a picture. Now come on over to CapCut, and now you upload your video. As you can see, it's here. Now you're going to click overlay, and you're going to add the black screen and make sure that it fits. Now you're going to drag it all the way to the back of the end of the video, and you're going to take off that CapCut logo at the back, and now you're going to look for opacity. There we go. And you're going to make it just a little dark, just a little bit. You know how all those videos have kind of a dark hue? Just like that. See, doesn't that look so great? Now you're going to split the video every couple videos, not every video, just every couple videos, because it will be too much if there's too many transitions. Now, I did about 3. So right there. Okay, and then you're going to come back and you're going to click one of the transitions. And right in the middle, there we go, right there. And now you're going to click one of the transitions you like. I picked this one. So now I'm going to click the transition again, and I'm going to press apply to all, so that I don't have to go and do it all to all of them. So now we need some text. So you're going to click text, and then you're going to click text to audio. And now you're going to paste the script from ChatGPT. Paste it, and now you're going to press apply up at the corner, and now you're going to pick your
Building
voice.
Wealth Star.
Building Wealth Star.
So I really like that one, and then you say split automatically. Now we're going to change the font.
Building Wealth
I really like this one because it has emojis.
Building Wealth starts with
Way
developing
better,
smart
as
habits.
you can see.
First,
Okay, now we need to move the subtitles to the middle.
building
Okay,
wealth starts
perfect.
with developing smart habits. First,
Okay, so now we need some audio. So now you're going to click audio, and then you're going to go to sounds, and you're going to put in cinematic music. So this is what I chose.
building wealth starts with developing smart habits.
Okay, that's it. And that's how you make the video. So here's the results.
Building wealth starts with developing smart habits. First, pay yourself first by saving a portion of your income before spending anything. Second, track your expenses to know exactly where your money is going.
If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.